what was before Big Bang theory? And if it was nothing, can we consider nothing as a creator of this universe? And how can something came from nothing?
Okay, so that's more of a philosophical question than physics. Our observational tools would not be able to see anything that occurred before the Big Bang because it would be a type of matter, if there was anything at all, that can't be seen anyway and thus could never be detected by our own equipment. So we will never be able to know if there was anything there before the Big Bang. And in the same way, we wouldn't be able to know how something was created from anything that was there before. And the truth is, we only assume there was a Big Bang because the universe is currently expanding right now. So that gives scientists a reason to believe that it's always been expanding, which allows us to trace its history back to some point ago where it initially burst. But maybe it was never like that. Maybe initially it was some small cluster that started expanding a few billion years ago. Or maybe it was just created in its present state and started expanding, like, maybe it was just created, some 1 billion years ago. No, no, not 1 billion. That's way too young. Maybe it was created, who knows, 6 or 7 billion years ago and made in its current state. Or we already have reason to believe that it's older than 13 billion years old, not only because of the Big Bang, but because of sources of light that we can trace back to be 13 billion years old, but due to redshift. But one more thing, it could have been here for infinitely long, who knows, and just have started expanding 13.7 billion years ago. So, really, the Big Bang Theory is just the most feasible or plausible one that doesn't require any mental gymnastics. But then, questioning what was before the Big Bang itself brings back the mental gymnastics in some way, because there's no way to measure what was there before, and there's no way to figure out how something before that we can't measure and that we don't know the properties of made something after, which we definitely do know the properties of. So it's more of a philosophical question and what you believe in than actual physical signs that we can observe and theorize about. Thank you.
Any questions?